Welcome once again to our Rockstar VA. We'll talk about the Awesome. A minute to go. Alrighty, hello everyone. Good evening. Ayan. Happy Tuesday, and hopefully everyone is choosing to be grateful for today. Ayan, nawala ata ako. Ay, perfect. Ayan. So, it's Tuesday night and we're again live for today's video because, of course, we wanted to give again great value to the people who is part of our community. And of course, this is our way of giving back. So, welcome once again to our Rockstar VA show, wherein we will be featuring real life stories of people who are winning in this industry, winning in a sense that hopefully all of our guest speakers are grateful with the career that they do have. So itong pangutanong ato ang guest speaker for tonight no kung grateful ba siya sa iyang career as a VA. And of course, I know that there are a lot of people, or there are a lot of people in our community who are really curious no with regards to this industry, and they really wanted to jump in, give it a try, but there's a lot of anxiousness. That's the word that I got from one of the people who inquire in one of my stories today. People who are still thinking if this is the right path, doubtful, and there are a lot of things which is sabotable sad siya, no? Because of course, again, this is new. Like this industry, though it's been, years, I think it really boomed during the pandemic, but it's still like a career that hasn't been in the space for 20 years, time. So which means that there are still a lot of hesitations and so on. And that is why we do this every Tuesday again to give some light to you guys. And before I introduce our guest speaker, I know everyone is excited, no, to get to know our guest speaker for tonight. So without before that, I'd love to say hi to 6 million people who are watching us on Facebook. Hello, ayan. So may mga pa-heart react, may mga pa-woot-woo. Ayan. So again, hello guys. We are opening the floor to everyone who wanted to interact with us, who wanted to engage with us, and at the same time ask questions. This is your time to ask whatever questions you might have, especially to our guest speaker. So daghan na kayo kog yaw-yaw dagi Without further ado, I'd love to introduce our guest speaker for tonight. So this guest speaker of ours is really dear to my heart because she's not only been a rockstar VA to one of our clients, but really been a support as well, no, to me. So I'd love to introduce to you all our guest speaker for tonight. No other than my kababata, my ka-churchmate. And right now, professionally, we are connected with each other and we've really been, working so well, no? Especially with the other business that I do have. So without further ado, I'd love to call on Of course, our guest speaker, Ranchel May Davo. Woohoo! May pa-say hi naman sa ato ang mga ano, sa ato mga kada profile.
Ayan,
Ayan.
hi everyone. Good evening. Hi Miss Ken. Good evening. Sa ating mga
Awesome.
nasa Facebook, hello, good evening.
Yes, nanatay 11 million in the house, no? Grabe. So thank you so much, everyone. And of course, me, thank you so much for saying yes to this, for saying yes to this live. I know that you have a busy schedule, but you say yes to this because you really wanted to give value. So, na yung mga pa-heart react, na yung mga pag-go me sa ato ang group chat. No, thank you so much, everyone, for the support. So, sige, let's start. No, I know that everyone is really excited. So, i-remove sa nako ni ako ang ano ba call something kay para makita gyud ato ang beauty duhami. Perfect. Okay, so sige, din ako maglangay-langay pa no from our topic no from a secretary to a rockstar VA. Today, we will be talking about Rancel's VA's journey and of course just recently no client paid adventure. So before nato na siya i-discuss, before nato i-discuss, i-ask si Mimi how was the experience like and so on, I'd love to ask you first, Mino, for our first question, na contestant number one. So what is it like me transitioning from, working as a lawyer secretary, to be specific, you've been a lawyer secretary, to becoming a virtual assistant? Like how did you adapt? Like when it comes to skill set to the VA industry?
Yes, thank you for that, Miss Ken. Ako, secretary ko been for 1 year and 7 months ata yun. So somehow, transition ako, wala kay ko naglisod kay as a secretary, murag somehow pares-parehas lang po siya sa industry like kanang mag-organize kag mga schedules ni attorney, no? Kanang mag-encode kag mga documents na mga needed. Tapos, na-upload ko guided na structure jud no gikan sa kay attorney and gamay lang na mga tools na akong mga kailangan kay puro encoding lamang gud siya kay puro kanang mga papel sa imong mga client
Mm.
na
Mhm.
so mga itinerary ana so in an office environment.
Mm.
So kato sayo dapat ko bumata no kay mo travel po ko 45 minutes gikan
Yeah.
sa balay to office.
Mhm.
Pero tong nag-transition ko sa VA industry, dako jud siya kausaban. Isa dira kay nana ko sa balay. Nandana ko sa balay magtrabaho, dili na ko
Yeah.
mag-travel, dili na ko ma-stuck sa traffic 'no.
Mm.
Kanang ano na jud siya, kanang sa kung commute pa lang kana dako na siya og kanang transition jud na nahitabo. And isa pud sa mga nag-transition ko is kuan, dako pud siya og kani impact kay naging independent ko. Independent ko kay siyempre mag-manage jud ko sa akong sarili 'no, sa mga schedule, sa akong mga plan na task. Kay
Mhm.
ano naman, wala naman kay boss na magbantay sa imuha kay siyempre nalaman gud ka sa balay. So,
Yes.
accountable jud ka kung unsa jud imong ginabuhat sa imong balay. Kung ginabuhat ba jud nimo ang imong mga task. Yes, na siya freedom, freedom 'no, kay wala kay boss na magbantay sa imuha. Pero
Mhm.
challenging siya kay tungod kay mga pa po jud kag unsaon, like kanang
Mhm.
imong structure kung unsaon nimo siya, imong mga tools na mga gamiton, no,
Mhm.
kay lisod po jud siya kay siyempre from office setting to work from home, no,
Yeah.
lisod pud ang shift pud niya and that is how na kanang katupod na push na transition pud kay naka-help pud siya sa kuha kay as in gabi ka flexible ang daghan ng mga variety na work sa VA industry. So kato nag-learn ko to adapt jud akong skills kay nadala ra jud ako siya secretary to VA. So kato.
Awesome. Yay! Thank you so much for that, me. And I think, yeah, tama jud no, na if there is like closest, kumbaga role from shifting from like an office setup or some like really career that we're used to becoming a VA, that is as an executive assistant or a secretary. Because actually, a VA is still an executive assistant, most likely, though there are a lot of niches. But generally kung may ka general VA, usually kanang same jud siya og role description as a secretary wherein you support the executive, you support as a professional to hanay their life. So mo to always ganahan ko mi that gibalik-balik nimo na structure. Structure is very important. And that's also what I love about, our community because we really encourage everything in structured, organized, and as much as possible, we really support our clients in that sense because what we wanted to give them back is actually the time. And that's the reason why they hire us from the first place because they wanted to give tasks that is important but can be delegated. And ganahan sad kumi, I love it when you mentioned about, yeah, there's a perks of, there's a freedom and wala kay boss na mutanaw sa imuha, but your greatest kalaban in this industry is yourself because you are just one step away from your bed. You're just, you can wake up like ikaw ka gyud, ikaw ang murag kumbaga wala siya time in time out in a sense na paras gyud sa office setup no na tama to giingon ni Mimi kaganina, 'di ba na kinsay ka relate dira abi kanang imong duty is 8 o'clock pero mumata ka og alas 6 or alas 5 para dili mo magginukuranay sa jeep sa community. And I think that's one of the perks of working from home. Like mo jud na ako murag, "Hay Lord, thank you jud kaayo na ako aning work from home nga experience because I don't need to really commute because it takes too much of your time wasted just because you commute, no? Wala pa nilabot na pag uli, ting-ulan ka tay baka ana mi." Unsay mong pinaka-worst
Kaayo.
kuan? Unsay mong work pinaka-worst experience as a commuter before?
Kana jud kada makipaglumba jud ka ba kanang kung puwede lang moangkas sa kadayo sa jeep habang gadagan para makauli jud ka. Kaya as in inana jud.
'Di ba no nya, wow kay ka siyempre no, you are executive secretary, so wow imong outfit. Nya pagkahuman wa na paabot nimo sa ano, abog na kayo ka kay wa naman kanang naginukuranay na and all. Naka-remember ko katong estudyante pa ko ba kanang harsh kay nandira sa may puan kasi hello sa mga taga-puan na side. Kada ganing ambag kay ana na sa sulod sa kanang jeep kay para na di balikon niya halos didto na mo agi sa bintana just so makasakay. And that's funny, but in reality, that has been happening, and it's exhausting. Like sometimes, ako, to be honest, wala ko na-exhaust yun as a student before. Ma-exhaust ko sa biyahe. And I'm sure, no, I mean, if you have a career, if you have a work na, imagine that will be for how many years of your life, that's a wasted time. And I think that's one of the key na murag perks gyud in a work from home setup. So, na mga nag-ano diri, GoMe, na mga heart react, ayan, grabe ato mga supporters present, mga zombie mong kalaban sa jeep. So true, buntag pa zombie mode na, 'di ba? Exactly. So ganahan ko mina imo jud na siyang na-highlight. Okay, so now the question no, that's of course highlighting the shift na it's not too much shift for you because again, correlated raman jud. But somehow you've highlighted na syempre lahi siya in terms of tools, lahi siya in terms of some other task, but eventually na cope up lang yun. But what were your biggest challenge no when you first entered the VA world?
Ako is challenge jud siya especially if kanang wala jud kay nahibaw-an about sa VA industry. Isa jud ang mga tools, 'no? Kasi wala ko'y alam ana mga Zoom, wala ko'y alam na mga Discord, mga unsa pa na mga mga application na dira na wa jud ko'y alam ana. Pero biggest challenge jud nako is communication skills, 'no? Kay you know naman may Miss Ken 'di ba as in dili jud ko talkative, 'no? Dili kayo I'd rather hilom na lang kaysa moistorya ko, magtanto-tanto na lang ko. Tas dili
Yeah.
kayo ko kabalo moistorya English, 'no? Kay since basic raman jud atong nahibawl-an sa English, uy. So,
Mhm,
kana
mhm.
ang biggest challenge jud ako is ang communication skills jud, communication skills.
Okay, sige. So, of course, no, there are a lot of people ba asking themselves na, "Murag, is this career for me?" And one of the hesitations really are the tech skills. No, isa man jud na like as what you've mentioned, there are tools like karon gani mas okay because rampant na gina-use na ang Zoom for schooling and everything. But when you started, where dili pa man pud ingana jud ka boom si Zoom or let's just say other project management tools such as Notion, such as mga daghan pa, mga Excels and everything. So, labi na karon na nag-advance ang technology. That is why, like, what helped you na lang cope up with this biggest challenge that you do have?
Ako, siyempre accessible naman jud siya online tanan. So, kato naka-help pud sa ko mag-research, no, ano pud ko, naga-apil pud ko mga online courses, sila mga tutorial, and so on. Tas hantod sa gi-apply na nako siya, nag-practice nako. Lalo na kanang Canva, kanang layout, kana pud, no, kay gusto nako ma-experience yun nako unsa ang kalibutan sa Canva. So, kana practice, Miss Ken.
Awesome. Thank you for that, me. And I love it when you mentioned na it's really about investing in you. At the end of the day, whatever career you do have, like for example, kakita ba day taog doctor na I think muna akong gi-example pod last time no na, di ba ganahan ba day ta na mo hire og doctor na sige ako'y opera sa imuha, barato ka siya pero walay experience. Diba? You won't trust. Same goes with the client. They won't trust you if you don't invest in you. And that's why a lot of people ba telling me na kanang Ken, I wanted to apply. Pwede mo apply. Ay, moagi pag course nga kanang moagi pa og course dili pwede diretso na client. Also, 'di ba? How can like, ako personally bahadlok ko na mohatag dayon og kliyente if wala mo skill set, wala mo kabaloon sa paggamit na tool, this and that. And I think when you mentioned me na 'di ba, everything is available online. Yeah, that's true, good. Everything is available online. But the question there is that if there's no proper structure and kanang ikaw lang, no, self-learned lang, daghan. Actually, daghan kung kaila na mga naging VA, self-learned lang. But if you don't want to, like, ako personally, di man pud ko self-learned because I have worked in an agency before. So, na ako'y initial na ano, but when it comes to like general VA jud, medyo self-learned lang yun siya. And nangapa jud ko to the point na murag ganig daghan pa kaayo, murag maulawan pa ka sa kliyente because you're not confident with the skill set that you do have. So, why go to the path wherein maglisod ka when there's a path na you can learn everything in a course? And that's why actually guys, di na ako magpatumpik-tumpik pa. We'll promote really our course, no? The Profile Academy. We will teach you the basics of a VA but in an advanced way. So in an advanced way because here we will not only be teaching you one niche but multiple niches and diri na nimo matest out kung asa ang imuhang ako, sige, I love copywriting. So, I'll focus on copywriting. Or, I'm a creative person. Sama sige ni Mimi ganina na Canva. So, okay, ano na ko ang kanina niche. Or, you can be flexible. You know? And, again, guys, you really have to go through this. At least, no, like, I mean, I have a I have a coach who also has an agency. By the way, Mimi, check lang ko gamay. She also has an agency and kani wala man jud ko sa una magud ko moingon magug engineer, murag feel nako dako jud kay kita. Nya siya engineer man gud siya by profession. So karon na siya agency VA sad siya, nag-start sad siya as a VA and then right now has been coaching two people as well. Tapos she mentioned ba na for how many years na nag you know nag nagskwela as an engineer, pila ang investment and all, and then ending up earning 15,000 per month as a startup. And ayaw mo kabala ka guys because the investment of this course is not that much and the ROI is depende gid sa inyong hard work because again the first speaker that we have has been earning 6 digits. There are also part of our team has been earning 40, 30, 20. Depende gid na siya sad sa inyo ha. And Mimi, by the way, is working with us part-time because naasad siya another kuan and she's also an executive assistant with a financial advisor. So, diba pwedeng part-time but then again, earning well compared to, sige, di na lang ako mag-compare ka, basig na yung masok ko. Okay, sige. So, question number 3, Tami. By the way, what's your thought about what we've discussed so far? Sa mo mga aha moment, miss akong check ka. Ako naman nag-check ka. Eh.
Wala lang ba, ano lang, tama jud mo mga gipanging Miss Ken kay ano man gud kanang when it comes to money involved bitaw, no, kay as in mo atras sila ay naday bayad ani na course. Mo-invest man gani mo sa katong dili kayo wala pa'y prove na kanang mga investment na mohatag jud kag dako na amount. Why this one na lang na for sure nga makatabang sa imong kung career jud nimo ang VA industry, no? Pero depende gapon na siya sa imong grit, kung naa jud kay grit, no?
Yes.
Mo-follow lamang jud, mo-follow lang jud tanan na makita nimong results sa imong investment.
True, no? So if Mimi if Mimi undergo my free training before, but right now earning, how much more those people who will really gonna pay for their training? Because for me, I believe that people who pays attention, and most of the team members that I do have right now, if I think murag 20% pa lang sa ilaha ang niagi gyud og the Profile Academy, like really enrollees. 80% of them actually is coming from like the training that I just did for free before. So if they have earned that much during my free training, how much more those people who've really been invested no when it comes to their learnings. But I love it when you mentioned me na depende jud siya sa imong grit. I always mention this every time we do webinar that the only way for this course not to work is if you don't execute. So you really have to execute whatever learning we are going to share. Okay, so sige. Proceed na ta sa sa tong third question me. How did you experience working in a legal field? How did your experience working in a legal field shape your approach as a VA? So I think murag na ano naman ni mo ni ganina na about structure, but is there anything you would love to add on?
Kuan lang, ang trabaho man gud sa secretary kay yun nga ikaw tighan-ay no mga tawag ni, nag-organize kano pa time management sa imong mga task. Lalo na kung na mga urgent deadline no, mga task kay uso biya kay na basta sa office setting ka lang mga ora-orada na mga deadline. So kato na-apply po na ko siya sa pagka-VA na nako kay kato mas ano na, mas ni-level up ang pagkahanay nako. Kung hanay nako atong secretary pa ko, mas nahanay pa ko karon nasa VA nako. Tapos ang communication skills pod, no, kay dapat pod clear pod ka, no, sa instruction na ginahatag sa imo. Dapat align mo sa imong boss ug tapos ikaw. So kato lang para kuan pod organizational lang jud na skills kay para at least dili ka malibog kay mawala jud ka sa passing kung dili pud ka organize sa imong mga buhatonon. So kana.
Yeah, so I think that's one of the skill set that we have highlighted on in our course, Gyud, na as a VA, again, the very reason why the client hire us is because, they wanted someone to support them na mahanay ilang life. So kung ikaw mismo katag ka, then you're not supporting them at all. So and I think the beauty about, how we actually teach also VAs is we give them structure. Like naagid tay SOPs, we eat, breathe SOPs. So which means dili jud ka malwerla na at the end of the day, unsa na pud akong buhaton or this and that because everything is documented, everything is organized. All right. So thank you so much for that, Nina. What are some ways you've developed self-discipline and time management skills as a VA? So what say tips nimo, techniques nimo that that you use to stay focused and organized?
Siguro ang kuan tips no, ang mag-create jud kasi mo daily routine jud.
Mm,
Ako after sa akong me time no, you know
love
man
it.
naman we do devotional and meditation.
Love
So
that.
after that, naa jud ko'y time na maghanay sa akong schedule, like structured na schedule kung unsa akong mga to-do list for that day. No,
Mhm.
at least ano ba, on track ko, dili ko mawerla, no, dili ko mawerla kung unsa akong mga sunod na buhaton. And yes,
Mm,
isa po sa mga technique na para dili ko kay uso baya pag kanang daghan na kay kag mga task ng buhaton is ma-stress ka, ma-overwhelm ka. So
mhm.
working for me is ang technique na Pomodoro technique, no.
Love that.
If if familiar mo sa Pomodoro technique wherein mag-set ka og timer or I think mga 1 hour to do the task. Tapos after ana, if mahuman na imong timer, rest ka to 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, balik na pud ka sa imong timer na 1 hour. So in that way 'no, dili ko ma-burnout, dili ko ma-stress, dili ko ma-overwhelm na nagsabay og kanang nagsabay ako mga task na buhaton. So kana, mao na Pomodoro technique.
Wow, I love that. May patiknik si Mimi, no? So I think for Pomodoro, if I'm not mistaken, may 25 minutes and then 5 minutes break. I don't know if that's specific ha, pero I love it that ako truly, no, that really works for me. Pero siguro ang dili lang mag-work sa ako ng 25 minutes, magamay lang kayo siya na time. And I love what you've mentioned about 1 hour and then rest 5 to 10 minutes. That really gonna help you to, to breathe in, breathe out, just stay out of your working zone and then relax your mind. And I think dili na nimo mabuhat pag naa ka sa office space. 'Di ba kanang 'di ba magulat jud kag lunchtime, magulat jud kag break, magulat jud kag 'di ba?
Magtsismis.
Tsismis pa. So, I love it that you mentioned that. Pero na ako'y ganahan na gi-mention nimo kaganina about the me time, 'di ba? So, speaking of me time, how has working as a VA helped you achieve work and life balance?
Ako jud ang adoy ang natabang sa ano nako, na-achieve nako ang work-life balance tungod kay, sa trabaho, maka-set ko og time sa akong pag-work 'no. Puwede nimo mahuman na imong task, 2 to 3 hours kung ma-okey na imong task, puwede na ka magkuan and kanang naa kay mga travel na kanang dili jud puwede ma-miss kung naa kay laptop, puwede ra jud nimo madala imong laptop 'no, mag-travel ka, moadto ka
Yeah.
maski asa basta nay internet. Tas dili pud nimo makalimtan 'no, ang pinakaimportante sa tanan na maka-spend time jud ka sa imong family 'no, wa jud kay makalimtan ng mga activities 'no. And siyempre, para ma-maintain pud ang kananabalan siyempre na pud jud kay boundary 'no.
Hmm.
Na pud jud kay boundary between work and unsay imong personal time. No, ako to maintain jud na jud ko'y set na schedule, like kung
Hmm.
trabaho, trabaho jud ko. Pero 'pag me time, ay boundary na jud ko kay meaning if out ako sa work, out na jud na, unplug na jud na tanan, wala nay puwede
I
wala nay
love that.
puwede magsamok-samok kay
I
siyempre
love
need
that.
po nako ano, to recharge 'no, para sa
Yes.
pagkaugma na pud na mga task. So kana
Yes.
misken.
Wow, I love that, me. That's very inspiring. Sometimes people forget to, to live because they're too focused in making a living. And that's what I really love about this industry. And by the way, though again, magkadepende siya because there are some people na VAs pero mas taas, longer hours ang ang work because they opt for more income. Again, we all do have different rich life. Like, if that's their rich life, then be it. They wanted more income, then be it. But there are also some of my team members who are much more invested in, dili kayo ing anak kadaghan na clients because they wanted to have a work and life balance. And that's what I love about this industry because you have that choice. Tama, 'di ba, me? Like you have the choice to, sige, go pa ko client. So in fact, in our agency, once that you are part of our agency, whether you are a current freelancer or a graduate of our academy, you will be added in our portal. So sa portal, dito mamili ang mga kliyente kinsa ang ilahang gusto i-hire, no? So kami ang mag-market sad, but of course we are encouraging also our graduates, if they wanted to look out for their own clients, so why not? Murag we don't strictly uy dapat sa TP lang jud ka or dapat ingon ana. And yeah, I love it when you mentioned na kanang, if I wanted really to unplug myself, then I will. And that's the kind of, I think, career na kana palang daan mo di na kabayran na career, 'di ba? Na kanang you have that choice. And isa sad sa highlight is that weekend is weekend. Tama mi? 'Di ba? Kanang yung weekend di mo wa jud trabaho. Monday, Saturday, Sunday wala jud me work, guys. Like Monday to Friday lang yun. And that's also what I love about this industry. So magbasa sa day ko kuan. Hi, BD na Walnut. Thank you so much for watching. Nazelle, wow, love it. They love it. Panikat ni Nazelle is the Pomodoro technique, I believe, ang yang ano. And then BD Nawala mentioned, correct, when it comes to work and life balance and power Mimi from Kim. Hello, everyone, to our 7 million viewers. And we're down to our question me. Was there any specific moment when you felt you had gained confidence as a VA? Kay daghan kaayog mga people na, again, as I've mentioned a while back, hesitant sila. So they wanted to have that security na, sige daw, is there any personal experience mo na makaingon jud kag, I've done something and I'm confident with what I'm doing?
Naa jud. Ano, um, ano sa VA is ano ko, social media manager. So, isa pud sa mga skills na need ni social media manager is dapat kabalo ka mag-layout. Kana how'd ka mo graphics. And
Mhm.
honestly, dili jud ko kabalo mo layout. Ingon pagay ko sa una sa akong sarili na sa akong partner kay siya kay layout graphics designer man siya. Tas siya ang
Mhm.
nag ano sa kuha ni nag-introduce. Ano ko, kapuyo din ni mag-layout oy kay kanang lisod man kayo i-combine ang mga elements sa kaning mga design na imong gusto. Sus kay
Mhm.
pagsulod ako sa VA world, kailangan man day og how to ka mo graphics. So, mao to akong gibuhat is yun nga nag-practice ko, nag-research ko about sa Canva kay kato nga wala jud ko'y alam. And one thing na naka-gain jud sa ko og confidence is kanang samot na og positive feedback kay client. Kana jud kanang lalo na moingon na sila na na this business will not grow without you.
Oh,
Mga inana na mga term ni client, no? O
yes.
kana pong tawag ni kanang sa ilang FB page makita nimo na na ang ilang mga design is dili pa kayo inana ka-attracting ana bitaw. Pero nakita po ni client kung unsa bitaw ang impact siyang business na ni-grow jud siya and makita nimo nga na jud yung result sa imong gibuhat. Kana pa lang ha, design pa lang na siya. So
Mhm.
mao to na nakaingon ko na na-confident day ko, "Ay, howd man day ko mo layout day ay." So kato.
Yeah, so meaning one of my recent posts actually is isa sa mga ano daw sa kanang VA ba, sige tama na, wrong assumptions is that there is no career growth. Guys, that's really not true because if you are a VA, you have to be flexible if you wanted to earn more, if you wanted to bring more value to your client, you really have to invest on your skill set. And actually, I think the beauty about today's ano no kanang technology very advanced because tools makes it simpler na lang. Murag imo na lang gid ana is like having the right sama sa mo may elements on how to combine colors, how to make it not so overwhelming ang mga fonts and all. So a bit of a research as well. And I think one of the things that I'd love to highlight is that we're doing upskilling. You know, in TP, we really support our clients when it comes to our team when it comes to upskilling and more importantly, personal development too. So, in fact, tama dahil wala pa na ako natagaan og access day ang team sa academy. So we will be having more courses in the academy that will surely help our team to really grow more, no? So yeah, we're very very much kanang because you know it's a domino effect. If we invest so much on our team members as well, they would also learn how to invest, you know, and upskill themselves and invest for their clients. So you know, yeah, so I love it me when you mentioned about that. Plus, kanang giving value na moingon ang client sa imo na tinuod ni kapila dyan na naingnan si Mimi na Ma'am Mimi because ang iyang client is though Filipino but from Australia and always good na Ma'am Mimi, thank you so much. You've been really you know integral to our business. We're so blessed to have you. So indeed, Mimi is really an asset. Ah, so proud of you, Mi. Okay, so right now, like speaking of no, imagine that kind of feedback from the client ba. That just goes to show that you've built trust and you had an effective communication to them. So unsa man imuhang tips or mga strategies mi na pwede nimo mahatag sa ato ang mga 12 million viewers for tonight?
Ako isa lang jud being proactive, no? Since gihatag naman sa muha ni client ang unsay iyang mga need, unsay mga adjustments sa iyang ginapabuhat sa mga ano na mga task, no? Kung naay mga buhaton, buhata ayaw naghulat pag instruction, no? Instead na ako maghulat ko og kanang maghulat ko mangayo si client og update kung unsa ni update sa iyang ginapabuhat. kung nana kay update unhi. Unha na nimo kay dira man gud mas ma-build bitaw ang inyong trust kay makita
Yeah.
ni client na invested jud ka sa success sa kuan sa ilang business. So kana Miss Ken, being proactive.
Wow, I love that. Tinuod jud na no that client would really get to feel your energy. And they would really get to feel that you are really true to, giving value to them. And exceeding their expectation. Ganan ka namin when you mentioned ba that, don't wait for them to ask na, asa naman ni na deadline or asa naman ni, but really, ikaw na mismo, ikaw na, so meaning going beyond their expectation. If the deadline is today, dapat yesterday pag ipasa na nimo ang unsay naa so that you could really impress them. If that's really the kind of value you wanted to give to them. So before I proceed to the next question, ganahan ko sa mga comment dali go me, very artistine, very demure, very cutesy. And pang isa kani from our teacher sa UK who's also been part before sa TP. Hi, Ma'am Dayan. Good evening. So, siya, Miss Mimi Gyud ang the best. Wala pa'y 1 minute naka-reply na. So true. Awesome. So thank you so much, everyone. By the way, if you do have questions, please do drop it by on the comment section. We would really be happy to, answer your questions, guys. And to those people who are watching on my live sa akong Facebook page, please do watch it on the page kay para madungog ninyo si Mimi kay kabalo ko din ninyo siya madungog dira na side. So sayang ang gem na iyahang gina-discuss today. Okay, sige. Are there any particular projects or tasks that you enjoy most in your day-to-day work?
Yes, na Miss Ken. Isa sa mga rewards bana kumbaga reward as a social media manager or general VA is lalo na kanang makita nimo sa imong post kanang mga daghan kay mga engagement no kana na post no kana nagabuhat pud ay kog content, so content creator pud ko. And so mo
Yes.
na ang engagement sa social media makita nimo na uy ako man din yung post oh kanang daghan bitaw kay mag-share, daghan na kay nag-follow sa FB page ana maka-happy man na makita nimo sa online nimo ang design ba na daghan kayo mag-share. And isa pod sa kanang rewarding pod as VA kay kanang flexible bitaw na
Mm.
daghan kayo kag ma-venture out no sa VA kay awas
Mm.
social media manager pwede ka mag-video edit and daghan jud as in broad jud kayo daghan jud kay kag ma makuha no sa VA
Yeah.
industry.
Mhm.
And isa pud sa mga kuan kay kanang reward pud siya yun nga being able to work on my own terms no kanang work life balance
Yeah.
na wala na ko siya gina-wish pero karon kanang murag happy kay ko kay na ako'y work life balance kay kanang bitaw mag-allow ko na allowing myself to focus sa mga tasks and at the same time having time for myself pud. So kana Miss Ken.
Yes, 'di ba kadang ay natay nga ni na career 'no? Kadang think murag makaingon jud ta ba na thank God for the pandemic na nahitabo to siya. If we are going to see the advantage of that is that there are a lot of opportunities came in na kumbaga even if mag-pandemic pa sunod buhi gihapon ta. Murag something ana gani because there are a lot of opportunities na kumbaga dapat even if pandemic hits still alive and kicking ang business, and this is one of the career that really bloomed during that time. And ganahan sad ko when you mentioned me that, 'di ba, murag in this industry, like there are different niches. So which means that you can really find your core. And personally, in school, we are being thought of na kung asa kahina, mo tayo mong fokusan, 'di ba? But that's not the like if you really wanted that work and play becomes one, you find your niche. Like you find what you're good, where you are good at. You find your core gift. Like it naturally, this is good. Kana maayo ka ana naturally, you can really make use of that and to be more productive and serve more clients if that's the case. So ganun ka to na mention ni mo na, this is a flexi industry and you really get to see where you're really good at naturally. So I love that. So Kanimi, do you have any like go-to resources or practices to stay updated with trends and new tools as a VA? Yeah.
Yes, naa, kita misken 'di ba murag napalibutan man jud outside sa the profile napalibutan jud tag mga social media influencer. So, kana isa gyud sa mga go to resources nako ga-follow ko mga social media influencers, kung unsa ang mga trend sa social media, kana no unsa ilang mga tools kanang CapCut, sus di po ko kabalo ana pero pero tungod kay trending kayo na siya karon, moto nag-explore ko sa CapCut. So kato
Mhm.
mga basic edit mo na. So at least kabalo ko sa basic and kato nag-experiment ko kung unsay kanang mga trend 'no, and makita po nako dira kung unsa to'y naga-work sa nakita na ko unsay naga-work ug sa dili na naga-work sa ako ang ano,
Mm.
sa ako ang
Mhm.
platform. So kana
Yeah,
basically.
I love it, no? The technology right now is ever changing, so you have to be very adaptable, Jude, as to whatever trends, whatever is updated. Kailangan updated, Jude, ta. So we always have to, upskill ourselves. So I love that. Me, thank you so much for that. And then, kani, before ako i-ask tong pinaka-last na question, like, what advice could you give to someone considering this industry? Like, you wanted to do VA career, but especially to those who don't have, like, or you don't come from a digital background.
Kani kay daghan kay kog mga kaila na kanang sige pangutana bitaw no, na wala sila'y background 'no.
Hmm.
Ako yung pinaka-advice is start with the basic. Basic jud 'no. Kung dili ka techy na tao, ang trabaho ba sa VA is more on computer basig basig 'pag ano lang sa computer dili ka kabalo. So
Copy and
kana
paste. Kala pag
yes
copy and
kana,
paste, di ka.
oo. Kana, so dapat kana, basic pod sa computer kabalo pod ka and start from there tapos next step is ano ka, open to learn kay daghan ubay-ubay jud ng mga tools na kailangan jud nimo tun-an. So be patient lang jud kay kapuyan ka kadugayon kay kanang kadugayon nimo tan-aw sa ay pag-learn kay usay di nakakasabot tungod na overwhelm na bitaw ka kay murag
Hmm.
inana. And pinaka-last jud na advice is find mentorship. No,
Wow.
online naman ta
Yeah.
karon daghan po
Mhm.
kayong mga accessible mga YouTube or masiunsa pa or kung dili ka gusto na may The Profile Academy, join ka sa atong
Correct.
online community, di
Lalayo
ba?
pa tayo.
Oo,
Lalayo pa ba tayo?
mao jud, no, ang uban na ay libre naay uban libre, naay uban na investment,
Yeah.
no? Pero if willing jud ka magtuon, kung willing jud ka magtuon, mag-invest jud ka, dili lang money, pero time, energy, and effort, kana jud na mga
Yeah.
investment. Kana Miss Ken.
Wow, I love it, no? I love it when you mention that you really have to invest not just money, but time, energy, and effort. Like, consider this as a career na mura lang yung kag magmaestra, mura kag teacher maestra, no? Ting bonus na mo sa mga teacher, mga ma'am, sir. Kung gusto ninyo na valuable ang inyong bonus, mag-multiple siya, inyong buhok ko, inyong ipariband after 6 months, mukulot pa na siya. Kung pagpa-braces mo, nagsakit-sakit ka mo sa iyo. But if you really invest on you, believe me, kung gusto niyo bonus every month, then you have to invest in a course that would really gonna help you to become an effective good. And ganahan ko when you mentioned me about like the basic. In fact, the first course that we've launched, which is the Rockstar, the Rise of the Rockstar VA course, these are for those people who really do not have any background. Like the first week, we will gonna be focusing on you, like what are the basic skill set or character values that a VA should have. In fact, even pa gani unsa na mga unsa na oy kana mga unsa ba software, hardware. Tama ba? Unsa na mga computer ang inyong mga dapat gamiton. Ingana na siya ka basic for week 1 because we really wanted to support you again basic things in an advanced way because week 2 we will gonna be talking about more on social media, creativity, and then lead generation. So dara na tong mga advanced way. So it's really like a complete package na I would say it's syempre sa kadagag niche no, dagan pa man jud kaayo, but for now for the rise of the rockstar VA, it's already like a good way to start yun in this industry. So yeah, and napaday ko yung one last question before tong ako ang one last question with me. How has your journey as a VA shaped your personal growth and perspective on career possibilities?
Kuan,
Gusto,
daghan jud kay kog natun-an sa akong journey. When I first kanang nag-join jud ko sa VA industry, as 'di ba, as I've said, wala jud ko'y alam, wala ko'y idea or expected na unsa jud siya ka-impact sa ko ang VA na journey. Kaya sa una, honestly, unsa to siya, murag pandemic, murag pahupaay ng pandemic. Ang ako lang jud gusto lang jud ko magka-work, no?
mm,
Magka-income kay as a breadwinner jud sa mo family. Income jud ako hunahuna, wala na jud ko lain
mm,
na
mm.
ginahuna-huna pa. So,
Praktikalan ta, di ta
oh,
mag-char-char.
yes,
Okay.
practical jud. So, mao to, na may open na opportunity on the profile. So, nag-try ko. So, kato nga, wala ako'y background sa pagiging VA. Mo nang challenging kayo siya sa kuha. Lalo na, magstorya man day kag English, no? Kana, wala ko'y confidence po na magstorya, no? Pero tungod kay need man siya, so mo to, nag-practice ko, no?
Yeah.
Dili kay ko talkative, pero kabalo man ko may English. Pero
English daw, be?
if pero eventually na-practice jud ako ang
Nonetheless,
English nonetheless. Kana na-practice jud ako ang English so kana nag-gain ko confidence na knowing na bahalag buki akong English basta kay nasabtan sa akong client kay ang mga Pinoy ra man gyud mga hinawayon gud.
correct. Correct.
Mga nang gamay lang na grammar reaction paper dayon sa imong English. Pero imong
Exactly.
client kasabot jud kayo na pag dili kayo
Yes.
kakabalo sa imong English.
Yes.
And also po siguro ang pinaka na-learn po nako is ang kanang connection bitaw. Like connection na I've made na wala jud ako nagdahom na magin ako through this industry. Kay dili baya
Mm.
basta-basta mga client kay
Mm.
international ba sila. Pero swerte ko kay tungod makaingon jud ko na ako mga client, dili lang jud ako sila client but also they become my mentors, they
Mm.
become my friends and even kanang parent bitaw na kanang mag-support sa imuha professionally and personally. So kana Miss Ken.
Oh, I love that. And because of that, for my last question, recently, Mimi, kansa ba to, last 2 weeks ago lang ba?
October 27.
Di ba? Memorize today kayo. So, Mimi flight to Manila and si Mimi kapila naman na nagbalik-balik sa Manila. Good. Mura naman na yung gimong downtown. But the good thing about that is that she flew to Manila, all expense paid by the company. So I want you to share that, share your experience and how was it like, and yeah, how like kanang in terms of like kala possibilities ba, how did that experience help you like open up your eye na hala, there are really a huge possibility of growth when it comes to my career in this space.
Yes, libre to tanan, overnight stay. Mura na ko kanang igo ra ko naligo dito ni uli day pagkaugma. So to kanang paspas kayo siya ng mga panghitabo kay ano pud siya. Abi na ko dili ko makauban kay tungod a day before sa event as in wala pa jud ko'y kanang ticket, wala pa ko na kay ano niya nag-ingon siya na siya daw magpamasahe sa kuha. So a day before sa event, ay hap ako natagaan sa akong itinerary. So mao to kanang ko ay dayon jud ay makaadto jud ay ko. So pag-abot ako sa Manila 5 AM no, butang lang sa mga gamit tapos fresh na tapos event kaysa event dan kay 10 AM. So mao to second time na ko na nakaadto kog Manila. Second time pa ko misken
Ay,
dili
sa
ra ko
kanta
may
dili ay, sorry. Abi
yes.
na ko gikamit. Sa kanta di
Second
ay.
time pa,
Sa first time,
second
dili
time
to
pa.
all expense paid.
All expense gyapon kay kuan,
Ah.
katong sa Discovery o sa
Okay, okay,
Tagaytay,
okay.
mao to
Okay.
first. Tapos kani second time na wala ako gigasto sa akong kaon, wala ako gigasto sa akong gistayan, as in tanan libre jud no.
Nya
And
kaon
bisag
kay buffet.
buffet. Tas pagka full meal course jud. Nang pag human nimo kaon sa isa na po'y moabot, human na pud na pud. So inana do
Kani ka
kanang
may
busog.
madili, no?
Busog jud kaayo to and ano pod, yun nga, pero maka-happy lang kay katong na time manggod kay na-meet namo personally ang client ni client. So si client
Mm.
like client.
Yeah.
Kay um, nagamit lang jud mi via Zoom.
Mhm.
So sa Zoom pod is ganahan pod ko kay as in very kayo sila kanang positive feedback bitaw sila sa ko ang
Mhm.
ginabuhat kay
Mhm.
yun nga, tas na-timingan man na siya sa Indonesia so naghapit siya og Philippines. So kay
Mhm.
taga-Australia man siya, doktor siya. So
Yeah.
mo to happy kay ko kay positive feedback na ginaingon jud nila na yun nga, "You're amazing Ma'am Mimi, mga na, this business will not grow if wala ka." So kana and maka ano sad happy pud ko kay kanang naa pud siya plano na mag-adto lagi daw mi ko Australia. Ana tas anak ko na, anak ko, "Sir, I don't have yet passport." Anak ko. Tas ano tas ana siya siya, "Pagkuha nag-passport, ako'y bayad kung pila igdala ko." Ana.
Wow!
So ana kanang ano lang, happy lang kayo na naay mga client na kung ampingon jud nimo sila, mas ampingon jud ka nila. So kana
Exactly.
maka-happy lang jud sa ako ang wins na masking kadali lang kayo to pero ano siya, murag another stepping stone siya na kanang napa ko'y makabot na mga inana. Kato lang Miss Kel.
Thank you so much for that. That's really exciting, no? Imagine na, like, people think ba that, it's a work from home, walay progress, walay career growth. But imagine, no, even if Mimi doing this part-time, but because of her commitment, not part-time commitment, full-time commitment, and yet, the value that she's been giving, nakita sa client. I love it when you mentioned about, if you take good care of your clients would take good care of you. And, offering, the client offered her to fly to Australia. And that's real, guys, ha. Like, naapod tay one of our guest speakers, sad, who is invited as well to go to the US. And ingana ng mga klase na opportunity, career growth, ato ang gina-offer diri sa ato ang community, diri sa ato ang industry, and in our agency specifically. Because actually, murag, I personally work with an agency before, and I've known a lot of agency na kumbaga ba, back up lang ang mga VAs, and it would always be like the agency ang upfront, so all of the opportunities will be given to the agency and so on, but that's not how the profile works. Like, the way we work is back up lang si the profile. You would really gonna be like the face of, so that all of the credits as well will be given to you. So same goes with what had happened with Mimi na. But of course, it doesn't mean that we will gonna, okay, kanang imo na ni, that's it. So we will still gonna create system. Like, I totally remembered before when I was the one who's actually been doing Sir Neil's campaign, like giplaster na tanan mga sistema, that this is how we're going to do it, this and that, especially if the clients don't have system. So we will really gonna be supporting you with the SOPs and everything. And yeah, it's a support system that we have here. So wala gid nang ka-try sad ko before when I was doing like freelancing sa una. Grabe ang crab mentality gyud sa mga Pinoy makasungot. Kana gani mga Pinoy man tatangan kita may kunyari na ako'y direct client before ba nanay Filipino sad na kanang VA. Kada ganing part to, of course, no, of course, ano man jud mo na mentality na crab mentality para mo ikaw ang murag highlight, i-pull up, but that's not the kind of culture. Like, Mick, sige na lang, before we end up, can you tell us about your experience being part of TP and the kind of culture that we've built? Kiko, ako ba very, very biased. Karamihan, not because ako nag-interview sa mo, but really your real experience being part of TP.
Yes, so kung curious ka, like para sa kuan na open to growth, open to learnings, no? Kung gusto ka mag-VA, join na sa sa The Profile Academy kay tungod kay dili lang kay magtrabaho ka. Yes, maka-income kanang mga 6 digit, dali ra kayo na siya. Pero ang ano lang pud nimo dira is ang imong grit, kung willing to jud ka mag-upskill, daghan jud kayo kag ma-venture out ng mga sa VA industry. And isa pud sa ganahan ako sa agency sa The Profile is kanang dili lang puro work, naami mga learning session, no, naami mga personal development, no. So dili lang puro may mga trabaho na pud mi para pud sa mo sarili. And kana kung curious pud ka how we met, kanang unsa kanang the way we mag-meet kay yun nga basig nakabalo ka nga online lang mi tanan. "Oy nami team building, nami Christmas party." So mag-Christmas party mi karong December 14. So kada, 'no, kanang as in dili jud ka as in i-trap sa imuhang balay na nga work from home lang ka, dira ra jud ka. Pero sa the profile lahi ra jud murag mas dira makita nimo na kami day mga VA 'no, kay mga competitive jud day kaayo mi maski dili kami magkita ay taga-adlaw 'no, kay yun nga panagsa lang mi magkita pero 'pag naa namin sa amo ang mag-meet naman personal mura mig mga maigsuon nga nagkailhanay nami. So inana sa the profile dili ka i-trap sa isa ka inanil lang na space but yun nga mas i-broad pa ka na dili nimo siya ma-expect na, hala kanindot ani na industry. So kana is Ken.
Awesome. Thank you so much, me, and thank you so much again for, saying yes to this. We're really excited with more opportunities to come to you and to everyone else. Again, our mission in TP is to provide thousands of opportunities. Because to be honest, guys, pwede man jud mi na dili na hire og mga newbies. Like that is like so much of a work for us if we hire newbies, but because that is part of our VMV, like it's our mission really to provide thousands of opportunities. And I know as an abundant coach as well, so Mimi has been supporting me in my other business. Um, as an abundance coach, I really wanted to see people winning. Like, si Mimi, kailan man gid na sa ako personally, kailan na siya sa ako professionally. Lahi nga gid na ako yung pinaka-dream, guys. Kana ganing marag, I'll be surrounded with people na kung maglaag ta, naka-convoy ta tanan because all of us have cars. Ana, gani ka nang, kung maingon ta na, kanang, oh, let's go travel. Everyone can afford. That's the kind of like community I wanted to build. Like everyone is really winning, living the life you like, living the life you love, living the life of abundance. And you deserve that. Again, people ask me, ay kasi negosyante ka or ay kasi agency owner ka. That's why you have what you have. But again, guys, I started as a VA. I'll say it again. I started as a VA. That's the first and last career that I had before I fully embraced my entrepreneurship. And blessed kay ko nga na circumstance na wala ko naka-graduate kay ko naka-graduate ko basig I am my profession, no? So kana siya guys, no? So before we end up, I'd love to share my screen to those people na curious na, and there are a lot of people asking me, DMing me about academy. Sige, I'll share to you guys what is this about, what can you get from it, what's the investment. So if you would gonna visit our profile, you will get a free copy of one of the webinars that we had in the past, the Unlock Your Path to Success as a Virtual Assistant. So this is like a good, kumbaga, startup sad to learning about the industry. So of course here, makita ninyo ang mga maanyag ng mga team members dira. This is our first course, which is the Rise of the Rockstar VA, and these are the modules that you're going to have. So module 1, become a rockstar virtual assistant. Module 2 is unleashing your inner creative genius. So if you are artistic by natural, that's your natural gift, this is perfect niche for you just to unleash, that creative genius in you. And then module 3, we have the art of social media and how to become a social media superstar. So enough for those days na magsige lang kag scroll sa imong Facebook and you're not earning from it. Start to earn by doing social media and supporting businesses around the globe. Module 4 this is where we talk about some sikat weapons of a VA, unlocking the power of a bonus skill set. So what are the other tools that will gonna support you to really rock this industry? All right. So if you are gonna ask me the duration before we do this live, and we have already like I think 50 plus graduates of the Profile Academy for the first 3 batches that we had, but we made it available to anyone, anywhere, anytime because we've created this as an online course. Okay, so the course is available online. so that wala na yung reason na murag, ay, dili ko available ana na time na ako'y work. So anytime, anywhere, you can get access to our learning sessions. And then, the good thing is, there are a lot of learning sessions out there available. Barato ka kay mga 999, mga sa pabadera. But guys, why is it that we really put value out of this? Actually, barato na kanya siya sa value na among gina-offer, because there are people who message me, they wanted to have a they wanted me to mentor them in this space. This is where I can personally mentor you. So once a month, we will be doing group coaching session. And not only me, I might be inviting some other people, some other experts that we do have, to our GCC sessions. And then, of course, personally, I'll be answering all your questions. So this is a live webinar. And then, of course, we would be having practical exercises and assignments. So dili lang niya siya ingon na maragutan, lang mag-video and that's it. No, there would really be actual work that we will really gonna have you to do. And I will really be giving feedback out of the assignments that you do have. All right. And of course, lastly is the networking opportunities, because again, we have been, we have 50 plus graduates already. So you will be part of our community. And this is how our community looks like. All right. So from here, we will gonna be giving you updates. We could personally chat. We will send you over our events as well. And at the same time, ang mga graduates naman sa academy, they can also join us in our monthly huddle with the whole team. And the good news is, I know na everyone is asking, will we be given client? Automatically, guys, once you are a graduate of the Profile Academy, you would be part of the profile sourcing. So what is the profile sourcing? This is where we create a portal for our clients na kung asa na mo ginabutang ang mga VAs. And this is where they will gonna choose which VA they would gonna apply. And since you've undergo, so actually exclusive lang unta na siya sa mga existing VAs. But since you've undergo and we know the quality of the lessons that we've created, we are confident to place you to our clients. So again, we will gonna teach you how to create like the best intro video resume that you could actually create so that the clients would get attracted to you. But not just that, we will also gonna teach you how to gain your own clients. Okay? So again, networking opportunities left and right. So this is not for you if you are not wishing to have flexible work-life balance, diverse range of clients. So we're serving international clients, guys, US, UK, Australia, name it. And then if you are not willing to do endless growth opportunities, if you are not willing to have financial freedom, financial independence, professional and personal development, if you are not looking for great community, I'm encouraging you not to enroll if you don't like this checklist over here. Now the question is that how much is the investment, Miss Ken? So it's only guys 3,429 as of this year, because you will gonna increase it. So if you cannot afford it today, you will not gonna afford it tomorrow. So again, this is just our entry price, because eventually we will gonna increase because we will gonna add more courses in our academy. Okay? And no worries, because we offer money back guarantee 100%. If you happen to review our first lesson and you're not satisfied, nga feeling nimo ay dili ko ganahan, pangit ang imuhang teaching style or pangit ang lesson, we offer money back guarantee, no question asked. So ingana mi ka confident sa amo ang mga modules sa amo ang course. And you can check out more of our experts who've undergone our training. And yeah, we're waiting. We're excited to have you on class. So that's it. So it's already 8:02. Thank you so much, everyone. Mimi, thank you so much. And have a great night, everyone. We're so much excited to have you on class. Welcome once again to our Rockstar VA.
For